Well, when it comes to skincare, not all facials are created equal. In the dry desert heat, a HydraFacial might be the perfect answer to refresh your skin. And that's what we're talking about today in our More Refresher course with Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center. And Sylvina Agnon joins us now from Rejuvenation Center and local client Natalie Herschel. Hi guys, how are you?
Hello.
You guys are like a walking advertisement because you're all so beautiful. The skin is like effervescent. But I've been hearing so much because you guys offer so many services, but HydraFacial is like one of those things, if you're just starting to get into using more than just some creams, has great benefits. And how is it different, Sylvina, than just a regular facial?
So the HydraFacial is the only microdermabrasion HydraFacial that combines cleansing, exfoliation, extractions, hydrates, and it gives you antioxidants, which can lead to clear, beautiful skin with little to no downtime. So it's the perfect treatment for summertime.
And anything with Hydra in the name sounds perfect for the Vegas desert climate. Yeah. Natalie, you've had the HydraFacial.
I have.
What was the experience like?
It's amazing. When you walk out of there, I just feel like my pores have been baptized. Like I feel like, literally, I feel amazing. And she does a lot of, I mean, she did the dermaplaning on me last time too, so it even helps your makeup go on smoother. So it helps with all your brown spots if you have any. So
I have some.
Makes your skin glow.
It does.
It dewy right afterwards.
Now, dermaplaning, you dropped, that's a big buzzword in the beauty industry right now.
Yes.
What is that, and why do you suggest to do that before the HydraFacial?
Yeah, so dermaplaning gets rid of the vellus hair, that little peach fuzz hair, which can allow products to penetrate a lot deeper, and it allows your makeup to go on smoother as well. So you just look a little bit more like a flawless finish right afterwards.
So it's basically a very, very fine like razor, but it's just when you're going through, it's just sloughing off all the skin cells and any extra like facial hair you obviously don't want. So
yes. It's just a sterile blade that gently goes over the skin. It's painless, and it just makes you feel nice and hydrated afterwards, and your products will penetrate deeper into the skin because you don't have that thick epidermal layer that just usually doesn't let your products penetrate deep. So it's a really good treatment just to do with any types of chemical peels or right before a HydraFacial. I just see it do really well with a lot of my clients.
And I think we've got some before and after pictures right here. Oh wow, so how many treatments is this? Is before on the left and then after on the right?
So usually it's 3 to 6 treatments. Usually right after one you do notice a little bit more even skin tone texture, but here you can see the nasolabial folds nice and plump. Even the lips look more hydrated. There's not as much, as many pores that you can see. And right here, the pigmentation is more even tone. No, the pigmentation's almost completely gone.
So is that really good too for acne scarring or people who've got a little bit of like just, you know?
Oh yeah, with any acne, it usually subsides within 3 to 6 treatments depending on the grade of acne. It makes your pores look a lot more smaller, and just like right here, it just cleared up this client really nicely.
Absolutely.
And it always varies from client to client, but I do see amazing results right after the HydraFacial.
And Natalie, your skin looks great too.
I just had one done, thank you.
And you got a great special right now over at Beverly Hills Rejuvenation Center for Mother's Day.
Yes, so right now you get the HydraFacial for $150 and the dermaplaning for free, which is usually an $85 value.
Nice. So just call, that'd be a great thing for mom. Like, let's pamper her, right? There's the phone number, 702-854-1919, and the website as well. You guys have 2 locations, Boca Park and downtown Summerlin. They're beautiful. It's like going to a super fancy spa. Beautiful.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. All right. Thank you guys so much.